boneless chicken, pineapple essence, onion, biryani rice, ginger garlic paste, tomato, spices, cashew nut, garam masala powder, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder. First we will serve the rice for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the water and roast for some time. Need to dry the water. Once water is dried, add oil. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add water. Now we need to wait until rice is boiled. Now we will marinate chicken. Add turmeric powder. Add coriander powder. Add chili powder. Add some salt. Mix well. Keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will fry the chicken. Add oil. Now the rice is cooked. Chicken is fried. Now we'll make masala. We'll use the same oil. Add onion. Add some salt. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. At this stage, add turmeric powder. Add chili powder. Add garam masala powder. Add coriander powder. Saute it well. Add tomato. At this stage, add chicken. Saute well. Masala is ready. Take a pan, add some ghee. Add some spices. Add nuts. At this stage, add rice. At this stage, add some pineapple essence. Add salt. Add some oil. Mix well. Add some ghee. Add some tutti frutti. Biryani is ready. Now we'll serve this. Now add chicken. Add rice again. Now my colorful and easy biryani is ready. See, it's very colorful, right? Please try this, very easy to make. So I'm signing off. See you in the next video. Bye.